This adjustable bed base is designed to enhance comfort, safety, and independence for seniors, caregivers, and anyone seeking a more supportive sleep experience. With advanced positioning features and a durable construction, it provides a practical solution for everyday living. Safety is a key feature of this bed base. It includes a sturdy side rail made from reinforced steel that helps reduce the risk of rolling out of bed or accidental falls. The rail also provides support when getting in and out of bed, helping users feel more secure. It is compatible with most 8 to 14-inch foam and hybrid mattresses, ensuring a stable fit. Installation is simple and convenient. The adjustable base is designed to fit inside most existing bed frames, eliminating the need to purchase a new bed. Simply remove the existing slats and place the adjustable base inside the frame. Most users can complete assembly in about 30 minutes. The heavy-duty steel frame and iron slat system provide exceptional durability and support up to 800 pounds. A non-slip fabric retainer helps keep the mattress securely in place during adjustments and movement. For personalized comfort, the bed allows users to independently raise or lower the head and foot sections using quiet, smooth operating motors. A one-touch zero-gravity setting elevates the body into a position that may help reduce pressure on the back and joints while promoting relaxation and restful sleep. The built-in memory function allows users to save their preferred sleeping, reading, or television watching position. With a single button press, the bed automatically returns to the stored setting. For added convenience and nighttime safety, the remote control includes an under-bed lighting feature. The soft light gently illuminates the floor, making it easier to get out of bed and move around safely in the dark without disturbing others. Overall, this adjustable bed base combines comfort, convenience, safety, and durability in one versatile sleep solution. Click the link for more product and shipping information.